April the 6th until probably around April the 11th at the moment.
Has any other airlines come out and said they're going to do the same?
So Lufthansa and its subsidiary Austrian Airlines are the only two Western carriers that actually operate international flights into Tehran. It's mostly served by Turkish and Middle Eastern airlines. Austrian Airlines is actually owned by Lufthansa as well and runs a direct Vienna-Tehran service 6 times a week. And it was still scheduled to operate its flight into Tehran on Thursday, and there is no immediate word from other international airlines that fly to Tehran so far, but obviously the airspace is used by many airlines, even if they're not going directly into Iran. So everyone will be watching the situation very closely.
Indeed, we will surrender no thank you for surrender our business reporter.
Now, Muslims across the world have been celebrating Eid al-Fitr, the end of the holy month of Ramadan. But for most people in Gaza, celebrations came after more than 6 months of war. This Gaza resident sent us her thoughts in a voice message.
My name is Ahmad Zahfoud. For the rest of the family from Rafah, from Khan Yunis, from the middle area, from the north, all my beloved ones come to visit me in this day. But this Eid will come tomorrow with a grave and sadness and tears. One of my business was for Ali, and he was with his family. If I remember him, this is I miss him very, very much. And my brother is working. He's the man in my life. I lost my husband, I lost my father, and he is the only, I cannot imagine the life without him, And here is a support, but we cannot see each other easily because there is no transportation. Every moment is a risk, Everything is changed. Everything in our life, in our soul, even in our bodies, physically, mentally, we have changed. With all this situation and the loss, how I will be happy. So there is no Eid in Gaza. The next Eid is al-Adha. It will come. I hope that we could rebuild Gaza again, because Gaza is a beautiful city, a magical, a charming city. I know it will not be the most joy, but I hope it will come and stop.
Well, that somber mood seems to be widely shared among Palestinians. We are joined now from Jerusalem by Dr. Imam Mustafa Abu Swed, a member of the Islamic Waqf Council, which administers Al-Aqsa Mosque, one of the most holy sites in Islam. Welcome to the program, and Eid Mubarak. Eid is a time for celebration. What about this year?
Well, good morning, James. Thank you for having me, and Eid Mubarak. Well, the atmosphere is very sober, and the story is exactly why we are sad and there is no celebration. There's only the religious part. We did pray yesterday morning. The prayer at Al-Aqsa Mosque for about 60,000 people. But again, no celebrations as usual. Even during the whole month of Ramadan, usually I could see from my apartment the fairy lights during Ramadan. Decorated fairy lights on hundreds of houses on the mountain facing, where there is none really this year. And this is limited to the religious aspect of the Eid.
What would have been different in past years? What would you have done differently on the day itself?
I can give you for example that my wife prepares Eid packages like candy and gifts to the kids who visit us, or even in the neighborhood. That maybe they will have when we talk about the family getting together for lunch, for example, on the first day of Eid. It is all of these things are missing from most families, and it is very quiet, literally, and there's no buzz of the Eid, and so the social aspect has been reduced. literally to the minimum. And there were calls by